Hi and welcome to this video from Cube5 AI. Imagine you're working in technical sales for Quantara, a company that produces technical lab equipment. And you have at your disposal a number of data sheets with technical details, such as Ford CryoVap, a cooling system. The data sheets have details in tables, diagrams, and charts of technical nature. So now you get a question from a prospect. And the prospect is wondering what about the temperature control of the CryoVap. Let's say, for example, the question is, what are the accuracy of the temperature control of the CryoVap? Can I cool down to -18 or below? And when you're posing this question to Cortex, it will interrogate the knowledge hub, which in this case is your data sheets, and it will generate an answer based on the knowledge in your data sheet. And the answer is then substantiated by citations for each fact. And if you click on those citations, you will get highlights directly to see where this fact is coming from, including details down to specific cells in specific tables. In addition, Cortex will find previously generated and curated answers that are saved that you can also choose to reuse. So now you want to share this answer with the client. And you can of course do the traditional way of just copying this and pasting it into an email. Or you can choose to create a page from this answer. And this answer you can then curate if you want to. And you can share this with the client either on an invitation-only basis, uses email, or as a public page that the client can view or comment and edit. So let's say we do that through a public page, and when the customer opens that particular link, he has access to your answer, including your little preamble, but also the same citation accuracy as you had in your own system. And the client can also see exactly which source documents were being used for each of the citations. Now, let's say you want to do a bit more. You actually want to curate and format this response with a bit more context. You can then click on the client-ready answer, and the AI will automatically detect the type of question this is about and generate a more comprehensive answer to the client's questions. And depending on what type of question it is, you have a set of different templates that are being used. In this case, Cortex determined that this was more of a sizing and performance question. But there are many other types of questions that will be categorized and render a different formatting. So now, of course, you can again open this as a page, and you can edit it before you share as before with the customer, either an invitation only or using a link that the client can click on.